person's driving pattern is all over the place. They're all over the road. Turning on signals when there's nowhere to signal. They have to stop before they get on the interstate. They're leaving the ramp to 630 east from John Barrow at AUU97Y. It's going to be a red Honda Pilot.
CFS comments added. CFS received.
AUU97Y shows VIN registration or Chrysler.
Get out of the road. Get out of the road. Get out of the road. Move your vehicle out of the road. Go to the shoulder. Chance to take this exit. We're not going very fast, we're continuing on the roadway. Passing Mississippi right now, Rodney Parham.
Bed 63 MIT.
CFS comments added. CFS comments added.
Wait for this car to get out of the way.
Comments added.
TV out.
At 414.
CFS comments added.
Let me see your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands.
CFS comments added.
Successful TV, I got one to go for. Show me your hands! Let me see your hands! Climb out of the passenger door! Quit reaching! Quit reaching! Quit your reaching! Quit reaching! It's too late for sorries. Come here. Come here. Come here. Climb this way. Climb this way. Climb this way. Let's go. Come here. Yeah, I'm by University, between Mississippi and University. Get out. Get out. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
Give me your hand. Nope. Give me your hand. Let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay. No me jales así.
Come on.
Okay, mi friend. Ahorita cambio.
Let's go. Come on, get out of that car. Come on. Get your legs out, now.
I'm sorry, friend.
It's too late for
No
sorry.
me hables así.
Get out. Let's go.
Yo tengo mi baby. I'm sorry, friend. Ay, Dios mío.
Get her feet on latch. She's latching her feet on that steering wheel.
Amigo, no te hagas así, amigo.
With your hands. There you go.
I don't know. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Okay. Stand up.
¿Por qué me trataste así?
Sit up. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
I know, you're drunk. I know, you're very drunk. I'm over 10-15.
¿Qué pasó,
One
amigo?
female.
Lo siento, amigo. Amigo, ayúdame, por favor, tengo mi bebé. Vengo de mi trabajo.
You're not going to work tonight.
Vengo amigo aquí. Sorry, amigo.
You're also not getting my car with that glass on you.
Ya, yo sé.
You put it in.
Mi walkie. Me baja. Amigo, me baja mi camisa. Por favor. Sorry, yo no soy una mala mujer. ¿Me puedes dejar agarrar mi teléfono, por favor?
Not right now. Not right now.
No, yo quiero hablar con mis hijos, amigo.
Why did you stop?
Vengo de mi trabajo, amigo. Yo soy sola, amigo. Soy sola y vengo de mi trabajo, por favor, amigo. No más puedo pagar lo que sea, pero por favor no me hagas daño.
How much you had to drink?
Nomás 2 cervezas de mi trabajo, amigo.
I don't think it was just 2.
Te lo juro.
I think you drank more than 2. I think you drank quite a bit more than 2.
Amigo, yo vengo de trabajar ahorita para mis hijos. Por favor. Yo trabajo para una amiga de Estados Unidos. Y sabes qué, me arrestaste, pero yo sé, mira, yo me vine de mi trabajo y sinceramente tomé 2 cervezas y me hicieron mal porque ni siquiera. Sorry, amigo. ¿Por qué me llevas presa? ¿Por qué me llevas presa, amigo? Pero me vas a llevar presa a la cárcel.
You're going to the hospital first and you're going to jail.
Amigo, ¿me puedes dar mi teléfono?
Later. Nice. What's up? No, I went and grabbed her underneath and I caught a good piece of glass in there.
Yeah.
She's got a dash cam. It'd be nice if she had it on.
Yeah, I know, right? Nasty car, dude.
Yeah.
Nasty.
of the bin. Just give me the last 5 because I already ran the tag. 26346. 26346. Yeah, that's it. Give me wet wipes. I had some in here. Where do I put them? I don't want to bleed on my uniform. There you go. Thank you.
That should take a few.
Best comments added.
What's up, man?